So yeah, uh, uh, this is how it turned out. Wires going everywhere, as you can see. But the main thing is it works. And what's more important than that? So I hot glued it together, and I also put uh, a wire on each side, a relatively thick wire under the screw here that goes right here. So if I pull on the both cables, it won't budge, it won't break, separate, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it was painful, but I got it done and cut my finger, but that's part of the job. So let's put some more hot glue on it. Maybe I'll have to heat up the gun. Yeah, I think I'll just put here on the wires to protect them. I did such a bad job at soldering. Yeah, with the soldering gun you can't really regulate the temperature, so you constantly overheat it unless you're a professional. Yeah, nah, it's fine. I'll have to buy a smaller iron with a thermostat, maybe USB powered, so I can take it anywhere. Not necessarily tied to an outlet. Those USB ones work with a power bank. You don't need a power outlet. For such small jobs, it's perfect. Just soldering wires, no components with many legs. It's perfectly fine. So let's see. Yep, it's almost ready. I need some more sticks like this. This is transparent and small, but doesn't matter how it looks. It has to work and protect the stupid wires. Okay, zoom out. And hmm, just get in there and go nuts. Let's push some in between the wires like that. Ew. Yeah, that works. Some more here. More glue, glue, glue. More like that. This should go a bit like that. I can always cut off the excess when it's hard. So I just put on whatever I think it's right. and it will be nice and protected and will look absolutely stupid, but I made this adapter for free, otherwise it would have cost me at least $2-3 and the trip to the store or paying for delivery, so I think it was worth it. Some more glue. Oh boy. Here. Maybe. On the edges. Like that. Some more here. Yeah. That's about it. So, glad it works. It's always nice feeling when you make something work and glue sticks to your finger. That's also very nice.